In this problem, we're being asked to find the limit of an equation x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2. And we're being asked to find it at the specific limit as x approaches negative 2 here. So you can do these problems by hand, but I kind of find using the calculator a bit easier, so I'm going to show you how to use the calculator to get the answer to this question. So pull out a TI-84 or TI-83 calculator. You're going to go into the y equals area, and when you're entering a fraction, if possible, if you can hit the alpha y equals button and then choose the number 1 option there, numerator denominator, that's going to go ahead and split this up into a fraction for us so that we can go ahead and just enter it in exactly how it looks. So a lot of times when you're entering fractions into your calculator, the parentheses around them give people a hassle. And so the nice thing about using that button is you really can just enter it into the calculator exactly how it looks. If you were somebody who didn't have that function, all you'd want to do is enter just the whole top equation in a set of parentheses. So x squared minus 4, and then close it, and then hit divided by, and then put the whole bottom equation in its own set of parentheses. So open x plus 2. So that's what it would look like if you don't have that function. I'm going to go ahead and turn that graph off so we don't graph two of them, and we'll just graph the one. So from here, what we're going to do is we're just going to hit graph on this. And what we're going to try doing first is we're really just going to try hitting the calc value button. We're going to go second and then calc, and then we want number 1 value right there. And the x value that we're going to try typing in is going to be the x value, the limit that we're headed towards. And so in this situation, we're looking as x approaches negative 2. And so I type in negative 2 and hit enter. What you'll see here is that we get a y equals blank. And so what that tells us right now is that the first option that we tried didn't work for us. That doesn't mean that the limit does not exist. What it really means is there's a hole in the graph there. And so what you really want to do now is just sort of approach this from the idea that the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit have to equal each other. And so when I go to find my left-hand limit right now, I'm going to be looking to try to find an x value that's really close to negative 2 from the left. So for my left-hand limit, I'm going to enter in x equals negative 2.000001, a whole bunch of ones. And I'm going to see what the y value is that comes out there. And so I open up my calculator again, and this time I'm going to do a second and then hit the trace button or the calc button, value number 1. And then I'm going to enter in the x value of negative 2.00000001, and then I'm going to hit enter. And it's giving me a y value equal to negative 4 right now, you'll notice on the screen. And so what I know is that my y is going to be equal to negative 4. My left-hand limit equals negative 4. And now I'm just going to perform the same game to try to find out what the right-hand limit is. And if those values that come out, the y values are the same, then I know that my limit is overall the exact same value. So I'm going to do x equals, and on the right-hand side would be negative 1.999999, a whole bunch of 9s. So go back into your calculator and just do a second calc and then number 1 value there. And then this time our value is going to be negative 1.999999999, some number that's really, really close to negative 2 just to the right of it. And we get out again y equals negative 4. So in this situation, my left-hand limit equaled negative 4, my right-hand limit equals negative 4, and so my overall limit is going to equal the same thing, negative 4. So just to remind you, you just want to graph the equation by going into your y equals and entering the equation that we've got in front of us there. And after you do that, you're just going to go second calc value, and start off with the x value that they give you, negative 2. And if that doesn't give you a y value out, if it comes back as blank, then what you want to do is try what we did here, which is to enter an x value really close to it from the left, really close to it from the right, and see if those two y values compare to give you your answer of negative 4.